Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Docker for local data science reproducibility. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Docker for local data science reproducibility, start by installing Docker Desktop. Download the Docker Desktop application from the official Docker website. Follow the installation instructions specific to your operating system. Once installed, launch Docker Desktop and ensure it is running properly. Open your terminal or command prompt. Create a new directory for your data science project. Navigate to your project directory using the terminal. Inside the project directory, create a new file named Docker file. Open the Docker file with a text editor of your choice. Start by specifying the base image for your container. For Python-based projects, use the official Python image. Type from Python 3.9 Slim to set the base image. Next, add your project's dependencies. Create a requirements.txt file in your project directory. List all the required Python packages in the requirements.txt file. Return to the Docker file and add a command to copy this file into the container. Type copy requirements.txt/app/requirements.txt to do this. Set the working directory inside the container by adding workdir/app. Now add a command to install the dependencies. Type run pip install nocache-dir or requirements.txt. After that, copy your project files into the container. Add the line copy /app below the previous commands. Finally, specify the command to run your application. If your entry point is a Python script, add cmd python /your_. Save your Docker file and close the text editor. Now, build the Docker image using the terminal. Run the command docker build t_image_name. Wait for the build process to finish. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.